Hey guys, welcome back. This is Evan with Hunter Design Company, and today I'm going to do a quick video on these river coasters that I made using a Jeff Mack mold. This was my first time using a Jeff Mack mold, and I gotta say it was pretty easy. I used stone coat casting resin for the actual river, and I also used stone coat pigments. They're black, and I used black diamond pigments for the orange, and it was kind of a black to orange swirl in these river coasters. As you can see here, the hardest part was getting the form out of the mold, which took a little bit of extra hammering. It seemed to be sticking to the sides more than anything, so making sure that you get those sides nice and loose seemed to be the trick to these molds, but other than that, it was simple, quick, easy, no leaks to worry about, none of that. So really enjoyed it. It also allows you, if you're doing 4-inch coasters like I am here, gave you a little extra at the end too. So I know how every woodworker loves their scraps. So then the last step was to add some cork backers to these coasters, and then you'll see here you got the final product. You got a set of 5. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for hanging out.